Welcome to the tutorial of installing a stock chart on your SharePoint Intranet page. Click on the Settings menu and then click Site Contents. On the Site Contents page, click the New button, then select App. On the next screen, click SharePoint Store and then search for Stock Chart. Then select Our Solution. Then click Request and type a message for your admin. The admin needs to click on the email or go to the App Catalog. To approve the request, the admin needs to click on Pending Requests on the left navigation. Then click on the Stock Chart. You can also type an optional approval comment. And then select Approve and add this app. On the next screen, you should select Only Enable this app. This will approve the request, and now the user can add the stock chart on his site. Now, instead of going to the App Store, he can select the app here and click Add. The stock chart is now installed on the site. You can now add this to a page. On the page, click Edit, and on the Web Part Search Toolbar menu, look for Stock Chart and add it. Now click Edit Web Part. Click Edit Web Part and add your company stock symbol, for example, TSLA for Tesla, or any of your stock symbols. You can also select intervals or your currency symbol if it's not, by default, US dollars. Click Apply and then you can publish your page, and that's it. On the chart, you can also select 1 day, 5 day, monthly or yearly intervals. By default, you have data for 50 different stock markets. Click Apply and then you can publish your page, and that's it. Feel free to try our stock charts add-in and use our 30 days free trial. For any questions, contact us via our website www.sharepinpoint.com or send us a direct email to contact@sharepinpoint.com.